Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the addition of the matrices. Two matrices can be added only if their corresponding order is same. Their sum is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of the matrices. Now I have taken the example of two students and their marks of Hindi, English and geography of the first term and two terms. Suppose the name of the two students are Suraj and Priyanshi. In the first term they have got in Hindi 4860, in English 5861, geography 6963, and in the second term they have got in Hindi 4963, in English 5961, in geography 7172. Now the marks can be added in this process. I have to add the corresponding elements. So what? 48 will be added with this one, 48 plus 49, 58 plus 59 is written here, 69 is added with the corresponding element of the second term, that is 69 plus 31. Similarly 60, 63, 61, 61, 63 plus 72. So after addition it will be 97, 137, 140, 123, 122, 135. So this is the process of the addition of the two matrices. Now I am going to discuss about the additive inverse. When the sum of the two matrices A and B, they are of the same order, each a null matrix. That means null matrix means all the elements will be 0. Then A is the additive inverse of B and B is the additive inverse of A. Okay. Now see the process of the subtraction of the two matrices. If two matrices A and B are of the same order, then these are the compatible for the subtraction. That means if the two matrices A and B are of the same order, only then it is possible to subtract the one matrix from the another one. Their difference A minus B can be found by subtracting the elements of B from the corresponding elements of A. For example, if A is equal to if A is a matrix having the elements 4, 5, 6, 7, B is the matrix having the elements 8, 9, 7, 4, then A minus B is equal to subtracting the elements of B from the corresponding elements of A. So it will be 4 minus 8, 5 minus 9, 6 minus 7, 7 minus 4. So it will be minus 4, minus 4, minus 1 plus 3. Now this is the process of the subtraction of the two matrices. Now I am going to discuss about the commutative property of addition. That is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Addition of matrices is commutative. The addition of matrices is commutative because A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now see the associative property of addition. If A, B, C are the three matrices, then A plus within bracket B plus C is equal to A plus within bracket A plus B plus C. So we can say that the addition of matrices is associative. Now with the help of one example, I am trying to make you understand. I am trying to make you understand that how the two matrices are commutative. If A is a matrix and B is another matrix, then I have to find out A plus B and B plus A and write your observation. Now see, A plus B is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3 minus 8 2 5. So it will be 1 minus 3, 2 minus 8, 3 plus 2 and 4 plus 5. So what? Minus 2, minus 6, 5, 9. So A plus B is equal to this matrix, that is having the elements minus 2, minus 6, plus 5, plus 9. Now what will be B plus A? B plus A is equal to what? Minus 3, minus 8, 2 and 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to what? It is minus 3 plus 1 minus 8 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 4. Is equal to what? It is equal to minus 2, minus 6, 5 and 9. Now, so we can say that A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now I can say that the matrices A and B are commutative. Okay. Now see, I am solving this problem to prove that the addition of three matrices follow the associative property of associative property. Now see, what is the value of A plus B plus C within the bracket? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, इसको ऐड कर दिया जाए, B plus C, that is minus 2 plus 1 minus 3 minus 3, 3 plus 2 minus 4 plus 9 minus 2 plus 1 minus 3 minus 3 2 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 4. So it will be what? It will be 1 minus 4. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus this one, it will be what? Minus 1, 5 minus 6 plus 5. So adding together 1 minus 1, 2 plus 5, 3 minus 6, 3 minus plus 5. Now I am adding these two matrices. I have to add the corresponding elements. So it is 1 minus 1, 2 plus 5, 3 minus 6, plus 4, plus 5. So it will be 0, 7, minus 3, 9. Right? Now see. Then I have to find the value of a plus b within bracket a plus b plus c. So it will be what? It will be what? A plus b. So it will be 1 minus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 minus 3, 4 plus 9 plus c, that is c, 1, 2 minus 3 minus 4. So it will be what? It will be minus 1, 5, 0, 13 plus minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Then this one 1, 2 minus 3 minus 4 is equal to what? It is minus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 0 minus 3, 13 minus 4 is equal to what? It is 0, 7 minus 3 and 9. Now see that the matrix this A plus within bracket B plus C is equal to this matrix. Now within bracket A plus B plus C is this matrix. These its elements are 0, 7, minus 3, 9. So the two matrices are equal. So we can say that A plus within bracket B plus C is equal to A plus B within bracket A plus B C. So we can say that the matrices, addition of matrices is associative. It follows the associative property of matrices. Now see, I am going to tell about the scalar multiplication of a number. That means how to multiply a matrix by a real number. Matrix A can be multiplied by a real number K, that is Ka can be obtained by multiplying every element of A by K. For example, if A is equal to this matrix and its elements are 1, 2, 4, 8, then 8A, that means 8 into A is equal to, I have to multiply all the elements with 8. That is 1 into 8, 2 into 8, 4 into 8, 8 into 8. So it is equal to 8, 16, 32, 64. So this is the process of the scalar multiplication of a matrix. Now taking one example and solving this problem. If it is given M is equal to this matrix 1A, 7, 9, minus 8, another N is minus 2, 3, B, 5. find the value of A and B if m plus n is equal to this matrix and its elements are -1, 2, 9, -3. So what I have to do? That m plus n is equal to what? Is equal to 1a 7 minus 8 plus -2 3 b 5. So it will be what? It will be 1 minus 2 a plus 3 7 plus b 7 plus b minus 8 plus 5. So it will be -2, it will be -1 a plus 3 7 plus b minus 3. Now by condition -1 2 9 minus 3 is equal to -1 a plus 3 7 plus b 7 plus b minus 3. So what will happen? So a plus 3 is equal to 2 and 7 plus b is equal to 9. So a is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to -1 and b is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So this is the process to find the value of A and B. After addition it will be -1 plus 3 7 plus b minus 3. Now it is given that m plus n is -1 2 9 plus minus 3. So this will be equal to this. So -1 plus 2 9 minus 3 is equal to -1 plus a plus 3 7 plus b minus 3. So the corresponding elements will be equal. Only then the two matrices will be equal if the corresponding elements are equal. So a plus b is equal to 2. A plus 3 is the corresponding element of 2. Corresponding element of a plus 3 is 2. Corresponding element of 7 plus b is 9. That means a plus 3 will be equal to 2. 7 plus b is equal to 9. So it is a is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to -1. B is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So this is the value of A and B. I am solving this problem. Problem is I have to find the value of x, y, z in the following. The two matrices are equal. Now we know that the two matrices are equal. If the two matrices are equal, that means their corresponding elements will be equal. That means 3x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to x plus 4. 5x is equal to 4y square minus 1. 0 is equal to 0. Z minus 1 is equal to -8. So I have to write like this: 3x minus 2 is equal to x plus 4. Solving 3x minus x is equal to 4 plus 2. So 6. So 2x is equal to 6 by, 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 2. Now see that 5x is equal to 4y square minus 1. Now putting the value of x, 5 into 3 is equal to 4y square minus 1. So it will be what? 15 plus 1 is equal to 4y square. So y square is equal to y square is equal to 16 by 4. It is 4 4 just 16, 4. So y is equal to root of 4 is equal to plus minus 2. Now z minus 1 is equal to minus 8. So z is equal to minus 8 plus 1 minus 8 plus 1 is equal to minus 7. Okay. So the values of x is equal to 3, y is equal to 10 and z is equal to minus 7. So the values are 3, 2, 7, minus 7. Okay.